I've had the most fun making this beautiful bucket bag. It is super easy. This tutorial will give you details on how to make one yourself. Hello guys, welcome to Ayaaba Creations. On this channel, we learn how to make simple beaded crafts. Let's begin. First, cut a long beading thread. Then, add 8 pearl beads, crossing with the 8th bead. So we have an online store on Instagram where we sell beaded crafts. You can check us out on Instagram at Ayaaba Beads Collection, or you can also contact the number on your screen for inquiries. We do wholesale and retail orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now we'll cross with the 8th bead. Next, pass the line through one pearl, and then that pearl is going to be in the middle of our circle. Now add 3 long beads and cross with the 3rd bead. Then you pass the line through the next pearl bead, and then you add 2 long beads and cross with the 2nd long bead. Keep repeating this process until you get to the last but one bead. To complete this stage, you're going to pass the bead through the pearl, and then the long bead, and then we are going to cross it with one long bead. To begin the next stage, we add 1 pearl, 1 long bead, and then another pearl, and we cross with that pearl. That's the 2nd pearl. As it process in the video. Then we go through the next long bead, and then we add one long bead, one pearl, and then we cross with a pearl. Then we go through the next long bead again, add one long bead, one pearl, and then we cross with a pearl. Then we go through the next long bead again, and then we also add one long bead and then one pearl. So one long bead, one pearl, and then we cross with the pearl. So we keep repeating this process till we get to the last long bead. So with the last long bead, you're going to go through the long bead, and then we also go through the pearl, and then we cross with one long bead, and this will complete the second stage. That is where we start building the sides. To climb up, we are still going to add one pearl, one long bead, and another pearl, and then we cross with the pearl. Then we go through the long bead, and then we add one long bead and then one pearl, and we cross with the pearl. So basically this is what we are going to be doing to build the sides. Guys, kindly support my channel by subscribing. You can also like and share my videos. Leave a comment below, and then if you don't understand anything, also leave a comment in the comment section and I will address it. whatever height you want, all depending on how high you want the bucket to be. So we are ending here. Go through the long bead and then the pearl, and then you cross with one long bead. Let's make the handle. First you add one long bead to each side, and then you add 4 long beads. I think this part is self-explanatory.